How to delete YouTube history on iPhone. To get started, go ahead and find the YouTube application from your home screen. Now, open YouTube on your iPhone. Once you're on the home page of YouTube, you will see many videos and content here. Tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. Then, go to Settings at the top right corner of your screen. After that, select the Manage All History option from the menu. Once you're in, tap on Delete. Select Delete Today. Your today's YouTube history will be erased. Again, tap on Delete. This time, customize your range. Set the time period over here. Once you're done, tap on Next. You can also select Delete All Time to erase all the YouTube history from your iPhone. Confirm by tapping on the Delete button at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, you have successfully deleted all the history from your YouTube account. So by following these steps, you can easily delete your YouTube history on your iPhone.